Hey girl, welcome back to the channel. I am getting ready to go on brunch with actually a subscriber of mine, and I am late. So this video is gonna probably be all over the place, but I just wanted to kind of like turn on the camera and talk to someone as I'm getting ready. Would you ever feel like doing that? It's almost like we're right next to each other getting ready together. It's very interesting how this brunch came to life. It actually started over hair products. I know, it's funny. It's kind of funny. When it comes to natural hair, people are like, oh, it's just hair. No, it's not just hair. Natural hair connects people. Natural hair is how we became friends, you and I. And natural hair is how I'm potentially going to be friends with this person. She lives where I live, and oh my God, what time is that? I should be leaving the house right now, and I don't want to be late, so let me hurry. Canada is really weird to find hair products, and I've been doing wash and goes with like different combinations, and she was like, I found a product at a store. And I was like, oh, I have to make my way over, but I never went. So she went again to the store and she was like, there's only one product left. And I was like, can you pick it up for me? Like, I can't lose this opportunity. So she did, which I really appreciate. And now we are meeting up. And to do it, we basically just decided to have brunch. Why not? It's always a perfect day for brunch. I'm actually not gonna wear this head wrap, even though it looks really good. Well, not tied like this, but it could look really good. But I put my hair in some mini twist. You know what? If the mini twist style that I did under this is not working out, I'm gonna wrap my hair up. We're not gonna stress ourselves out over hair at all. Something about getting ready that just makes you feel so good. It can't just be me, like putting on makeup, talking to you, something about it. I love it so much. And you know what? As I was getting ready, I was in the shower. I was thinking to myself, I was like, Jen, the thoughts in your head are really holding you back. The way I feel like I'm so trapped in motherhood, and then I'm like, at the same time, I'm actually able to do things like this. Like, it's all in my head. It really is all in my head. And now that I've been trying to push myself out of this zone that I've been in, and I'm like, go out, Jen, do things that you enjoy, do your makeup, get dressed. Speaking of which, I have to show you my outfit. My outfit is very interesting. It's basically all neutral, basically all white, and I'm doing my makeup, so I gotta be careful. Do things that you like, and it makes you feel so much better. You really start enjoying life when you do the things that you enjoy, because in other words, what are you doing in this life? Like, let's be honest, you can literally spend your days doing all the things that makes you unhappy, or you can at least squeeze one or two things in there that A, is good for you, and two, also makes you happy. Keeping the makeup really light, mainly because I don't have time. I wanted to put on lashes, but I'm gonna forget about that today, because I don't want to be late. I don't like being late. I don't like people waiting on me. And of course, I haven't finished cleaning up. So I still have things all over the place. I'm not gonna lie. There's things everywhere. Oh, terrible. I'm gonna leave it like that. I don't have time to fix anything. A little mascara, and that's all. That's it. Yo, I can't see nothing. My eyes have gotten worse over the years, yo. The older I get, the worse it is. Setting spray. Boom. Can't take this off. I have to fix that contour. I get it all up in my hairline because now I look like I'm 3 different colors. Okay, you know what? I like the hair. It's giving really chill summer vibes. And I also like the makeup too. So boom, boom. My bathroom is a mess. I will have to show you the outfit later. And my hair was also still wet, but that's okay. All I need is a little perfume, and I'm out the door. And I'll show you my outfit later, okay? I want to show you what I did today. I feel like these influencers a little bit. I gotta take off my makeup. I'm not gonna lie, I feel I'm not even gonna make it. And you know what's funny? What's funny is that I sat on the couch and scrolled on my phone for like a solid 45 minutes. I almost feel disgusting with myself for wasting so much time. This is the makeup removing balm that I'm going to be using. I've been using it for a little bit now. It's halfway. You ever just waste so much time on social media just scrolling, and then you come back to reality and you're like, wow, I'm disgusted with myself for just wasting so much time. That's how I feel. But today was such a great day. Oh my God, ironically enough, okay, let me tell you about today. So I told you I was meeting a subscriber, I guess an Instagram follower. We met on Instagram. She said she followed me forever, but we bonded over hair products. So she went to a store, and I don't know if I told you guys about that earlier, I can't remember. But she found a product, which was a gel. I'll put the name on the screen. It's the gel by the Dew. All of you guys in the States use it and kind of layer it in your wash and goes. But we don't have it here in Canada, at least I couldn't find it. And she did, and she told me where to go. I didn't go, of course. So she went back and was like, girl, there's only one gel left. So I told her to copy for me, and she did. So we ended up meeting up today. We had brunch and it went well. You know, you never know. I'm not gonna lie. Like, as someone who's online, I definitely am very mindful. If you try to meet me, I'm leaving you on red. Like, I don't know. I gotta protect myself. I have a baby now. I can't be caught in some weird scandal. I can't get kidnapped out here. I'm Haitian, so I'm very mindful of people. But she sounded nice. So I was like, why not? Let's go to a public space and have brunch. The worst that could happen is the food is terrible and I don't feel well, so I go home. Anyway, I have fun. I had a great conversation with her. So I am planning my baby's party, and it's so funny because just yesterday I got a call from a restaurant because I want to get the food catered. I don't want to have to do anything, girl. I just want to pop the food in the oven, keep it warm, and when everyone's here, pull it out and everyone's going to eat. And I don't have to do anything. Minimal effort for this party. Everything is basically coming to the house. The cake is coming, and for the food, I'm trying to find a place that can cater and deliver it so I don't have to do anything. And yesterday they gave me a quote of $700. I'm like, huh? Excuse me, there's like 20 people at a kid's first birthday party. Like, we just need snacks. What you mean $700? It's not a wedding, sir. So as I was talking to her about it, she was like, you know what? My mom does food. My mom does catering. And I was like, what? What do you mean? So her mom is gonna give me a quote. I hope it works out. I hope the food is good, because you never know. Now I'm trusting the food of someone that I've never eaten before. And I'm gonna serve it to a bunch of people. A bunch of Haitians, in fact. So this could go south very fast, but I take great comfort in knowing that I didn't cook the food. That's all I have to say. Oh my God, the food's terrible. Never gonna order from that place again. I hope it's good. And I just want, like, you know, finger food and stuff. Like, how bad can that be? It's funny because I want to go to bed, obviously, but I also want to do like a little face mask. When I wear makeup, I like to really make sure I take care of my skin. But at the same time, it's midnight and I want to go to sleep. Now you just really want to like massage your face. Oh, it feels so good. I hold so much stress and tension in my jaw. Oh, in my face. I think I would really enjoy a massage right now. You know when you can feel that you have like pimples under the skin? Like, I feel like that's just how my skin is. Like, there's always a little something around here. It's so annoying. I feel like I need to exfoliate more. It's midnight. I'm gonna go to sleep. And what I'll do is a little face mask tomorrow as well. I think that'll be kind of fun because I still need to continue decluttering my house. Oh, I started last week and I feel like I've made no progress since last week. So we gotta get back into it. I'll see you tomorrow morning. Yeah, bye. So it's present day Jen. The vlog that you saw was probably over a month old when I filmed it. But I felt like it was incomplete a little bit, and I wanted to come on and talk about the hardship of making friends in your 30s/40s. You know, like, when you meet people nowadays. And I'm saying this because, you know, I felt like we had some good vibes, me and the women that I met around hair products, which ironically connected us. And now we're friends. At the very least, we're brunch friends because we schedule our next brunch date. And I wanted to talk about how difficult it is to make friends in, you know, later in life. Because really our 30s is not that old, but it's still pretty difficult to make new friends, I find. And part of it sometimes is because we don't open ourselves up to meeting new people. Like, where do you go to meet new people? People that have the same interests and people that also understands
Hold on, I have to get myself comfortable. I don't know if you know, girl, but I am with child. I did post a short about it, but I haven't posted the full announcement video yet. And you're gonna see this video before the announcement. But in any case, congratulations, Jenny. Look at the belly. Ah, girl, I'm out here. Ooh. Anyways, where do you go to meet new people? People that have the same interests, at least similar interests, or people that also understand that you are grown. You have responsibilities. You can't be answering texts right away. People that understand that you have children. It's so difficult. But I think it really starts with allowing yourself to meet new people. And I say this because when she reached out to me around the hair products, it really wasn't about, hey, let's meet up. It was like, hey, girl, go get these products. She was like, okay, listen, I can get it for you. We can meet up later. I could have easily said no, but I allow myself to step into an area that is a little uncomfortable. I'm not big on meeting new people, and I also complain that I keep my circle small and I don't have a lot of friends. So I don't know, it's very interesting how we would say that we want something but then don't act accordingly. And yeah, allowing yourself to meet new people or just to be open to meeting new people, I think it's step one. And also putting yourself out there, like suggest things to people that maybe you work with or people that you meet in, I don't know, randomly in the grocery store. Like, I don't know if I'm that bold, but you know, you can start with something easy like I did with brunch. Something where like, I can dip out if it doesn't work out, or we don't ever have to meet again if the vibe is off. I don't know how our parents did it because they have so many friends, but then with us, it's so much more difficult, you know? Maybe it's because of social media where we're always online, we're always on our phones, so we almost lose the social skills of meeting people in real life and continuing the conversation, because I find that's how it is for me. Like, I'll meet people in real life, talk to them, and that's it. Like, how do you exchange numbers? How do you keep the conversation going? Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I hope you enjoyed the direction the channel is going. I will talk about hair here and there, but from a different perspective, not so much wash day videos. And then yeah, we're gonna have these great little conversations, a little kiki here and there, talk about real life issues here and there, things that we're doing to improve our lives here and there. And I'm enjoying it, so I hope that you are. I should show you my outfit. I'm wearing a bodysuit from Amazon. I am trying to have a hot girl summer in this pregnancy. Last pregnancy, I feel like I've worn nothing but sweats and sweaters, so I'm trying to do better. This shirt is from Amazon. It's actually a two-piece, but I'm not wearing the bottom. It's a matching top and shorts, but we opted for this bodysuit instead, also from Amazon. How come no one told me that Amazon fashion was popping? Especially for things like that where you're like, I'm not gonna wear this after the pregnancy. So it's perfect and it's very comfortable for the belly. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you have a great day or night whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.